Hello, virtual students. If you are just tuning in, here's the notes. Write them down somewhere. You will need it for your test. Today we are doing a quiz review. We should have our quiz on Thursday unless we have a snow day on Wednesday. And then in which case you will take your quiz on Friday. Okay, so pause it real quick. I'm going to go ahead and go and start with number one. I didn't want to leave the camera on forever while I was doing this part. Okay, so your very first one. Okay, number one, what is the highest exponent up there? 4. Okay, we're looking at the little letters. Those are called the exponents. So 4 is the highest. So what's it going to be called? Quartic. It's going to be called a quartic. And then how many pieces are there? Okay, by pieces we look at this stuff. So 1 piece, 2 pieces. So it's going to be a what? Binomial. Okay, and I know it's been a minute, so some of you guys are probably like, what the hell, I don't remember how to do this, okay? So on all these, how many answers should you have? 2. You pick one from each column, okay? So if you look at number 3, what is the highest exponent? 2, so it's going to be not quadratic. And then how many pieces is there? 2, so it's going to be binomial. Okay, and for some of these like bi, tri, mod, you can like subscript them, so just write bi. Okay. Hello? Hey. Yeah. Yep. I don't know. I mean, let me look real quick. Hold on. Do 2 and 4 real quick. We're getting ready for it. So look on grade book. Oh yeah, it says geometry MA 2562/special. I don't know why they should. Yes, but I did need to talk to somebody, I don't know who, but all of those kids that are in that class, they've had me since they were freshmen, but I went to somebody's IEP meeting, they're like, no, they didn't get the credits for it. Just because they're in that class, I still follow the geometry book. So I'm not sure why, for some reason, I don't know if something needs to happen to manually put in all their credits, but they all should have algebra 1, algebra 2, and geometry credits. Oh, okay. I was just thinking about it and I'm like, gosh, well, I want to make sure that you guys are. Okay. So, but yes, that's the class that he will be in. And then, what are you doing for the rest of his schedule? Like, so do I, like, will he be on my Skyward to, like, put in attendance, or? Okay, but not 3, 4, and 6. I know, but he's really in my room 3, 4, and 6. So do ingenuity. I mean, we'll also see him 1st and 7th. So, like, I guess he'll know if he's here, but he will be with me the majority of the day. For ingenuity. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I can. So.
Wait, so Serenity virtual now?
No. Her mom's in the hospital, so she's been staying at home for a little bit. I think maybe she said like 3 weeks. I can't remember. I sent her papers home for a week. Okay, the next part on here is just simplifying, okay, and all that means is, jeez Louise, I'm having a rough day. You guys know what time I woke up this morning? 7 o'clock. You know what time I'm supposed to be at work? 7:15. And I was too tired to shower last night, so I had to get up and shower. And then I have to take papers to Meadowbrook on Monday mornings, and so it's just not my best day. Okay, on these problems, when the direction says this, okay, your first step is going to be distribute. What does distribute mean? Yeah, it means multiply, okay? And then step 2 is going to be to combine like terms. Oh, do you guys want this to be a test or a quiz, by the way? Tests are worth more in the grade book. So some of you guys that are writing that C or D mark, it can really help or hurt your grade. If you're feeling like really confident over this section, then we can do a test. If you're not feeling so great, then we can do a quiz. Test? Quiz?
It don't matter. Quiz, okay.
Well, let's see how it goes today and tomorrow, and then you guys let me know, okay? They're both the same, okay? It's going to be the same amount of questions, whether it's a test or a quiz. It'll be the same amount of points. It's either, 20% of your grade or 50% of your grade.
I'd rather have a 50.
It depends on what your current grade is and if you need some help getting up there, okay? Okay, so if we combine, is there anything to distribute here? Meaning, is there parentheses?
No.
No. So what can we combine?
3 and 3.
3 and 3, okay? We can put the B's together, and so we got 3 and 3 is really 6B. Okay, the next one, is there parentheses there?
Yes.
Yeah, so we need to distribute. So negative 8 times 3 is going to be negative 24. Negative 8 times 8 is going to be negative 64. And how many A's do we have?
1.
1. Okay, from here to here, there is 1 A, so put it back down. And then there's nothing there to combine, so that is our answer. Can I scroll?
Yeah.
Okay, the next one. Is there parentheses?
Yes.
Yeah, so that means we need to distribute. So negative 7 times 1 is negative 7. How many X's?
0.
None. From here to here, there's none. Okay? Negative 7 times 7 is going to be negative 49. How many X's? 1. And then we still got this negative 5 over here, so we got to drop that down. What can we combine? Or can we combine anything?
No, 7 negative 5.
Yeah, okay, they have no X, so you can put the no X's together. So negative 7 and negative 5 is going to be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So negative 12 minus 49X. Ooh, they said no bells.
Yay. No, that's bad.
Okay, the next section on here is the GCF, okay? So these are the ones where you need to draw the little line down and make your factor tree. So factors of 54. So we say 54 divided by 2. So I got 2 and 27. And 3 and 9. 3 and 3. Okay, for the 63, I got 3 and 21, 3 and 7. So, who's our matchies? Who can we circle?
3 and 3. No, 3 and 3.
3 and 3 and 3 and 3. So, 2 sets of 3s. Okay, so I got this set of 3s and this set of 3s. So, What number is gonna go on the outside?
3.
No.
Oh.
It should be 3 and 3. And what do you do with those?
Times them.
Times them. So you got 9. What's up?
Also, divide this one, so.
Yeah.
Okay. 54 divided by 9. It's gonna be 6. 63 divided by 9 is 7. How many X's can I pull?
1.
Okay, the first guy, he's got $1. The second guy, he's got no dollars. Can we rob him?
No.
What's my say?
Oh, yeah.
Yo, what's good? Huh? Oh, I'll tell you in a minute. I'll be back from my teacher. Okay, we can't pull out any X's, so we're gonna put all of our signs back and our letter back.